Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Scentsy. This is their monthly subscription. It's their Whiff Box. I used to be a Scentsy consultant years ago, and the only reason I quit selling is because they kept changing their selling requirements. It used to be they didn't have any selling requirements, and then it's like, oh, you gotta sell X amount, and then they kept increasing that amount. So I love the product, nothing against the company, I just didn't want to sell it anymore. But I found out that they did this, and I am out of bars, and all my products, I got rid of all my stock. So I'm going to show you what's in here. I think it's really exciting. So this on top talks about their new catalogs. I guess there's some new scents. And they have a brand new fall winter catalog out. So this is how it comes packaged. And you're supposed to get bars and all sorts of variety of products. Ooh, I'm excited for that. Okay, so let's open this first. I think this has the bars in it. They put them in this, that way it doesn't melt and get all over everything. So they have this ice pack in there to keep it nice and cool. And then there's 2 bars. And then this is just a, I don't think they call it a tester. Let me see what they call it. Single-use wax cup. So you pop it out of here, and it's just a single use, and this is for Perfect Pumpkin Pear. Can't wait to use that. I'm going to take a whiff of it. Yeah, that's a really nice fall scent. Super excited for that. Then we also have Caramel Apple Craze, which is a scent of the month. That has a really nice apple scent to it. Excited for that. And then we have Fiddle Leaf Fig. That one I'm not too fond of, but I will give it a go because sometimes things smell different when you burn them. So we've got 2 bars, a little tester. We also have a sample of the Shimmer Laundry Liquid. Looks like we have 2 of those. One's a scent soft, and one's a laundry liquid. Next up, we have Honey and Chamomile. This is the pet shampoo, so that's actually a brand new product they have, which I think is kind of cool. So yeah, very nice. I bet that smells really good. Then we have Weathered Leather. So that is a really popular scent. It smells like a brand new car, if you have leather in your car. And these are Scentsy Car Bar Clips. So they're air fresheners that clip to the vent with these little things. So that is awesome. I do have leather in my car, but my car is about a year old, so it doesn't have the new car smell anymore, so I will definitely use that. Did they give us a catalog? Cool. We have the brand new fall and winter catalog. So some of the new things that happened since I left, they also have licensed products now. And they have expanded all sorts of stuff, so really happy for them. It's always good when a business, you know, expands and comes up with new products, and they were always pretty good about that. So, very cool. Very excited about the Disney stuff. I hope they expand that to like Alice in Wonderland, because that's my favorite Disney thing, but it's really hard to find Alice in Wonderland stuff for some reason. But they have warmers and little scent buddies. Very, very cool. And we have Pineapple Coconut Vanilla Fragrance Mist. So that is a little perfume, and I bet that smells amazing. I'm going to go ahead and open it. I'd say it doesn't really smell like pineapple or coconut to me, but maybe more of the vanilla. I don't know. We'll have to give that another try. And I think this is the last item. This is a pink cotton bath bomb. So I have not tried their bath bombs, but let me know if you guys want me to do a demo on my channel. There's nothing hidden inside them, but in case you want to see how they perform, what they look like in the tub, and my thoughts, let me know. And that has a really nice scent to it, and it comes in this cute little box. Very cool. So yeah, that's probably why I like it. It says it's clean cotton, pink berries, and vanilla sugar. So it smells really sweet and nice, and that is all that came. So I will put all the information for the box. I want to say this was $30. I will put all of it below in the description box. But what I like about it is I do have it set up to be monthly, but you can pause it. You can change it if you want it every other month, every 3 months. So it's really customizable, which I really like that, because most subscription boxes are not. So if you guys are interested, I will put the consultant's link below that I use. She's here on YouTube and she also has a channel. So I will put all of that at the end of the video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.